Welcome to the BugMD family. Today, we're going to show you the complete process for using Rodent Relief, our powerful, ready-to-use spray that creates a scent barrier too overwhelming for rodents. We'll cover the 3 crucial steps to achieve maximum, long-lasting protection. Rodent Relief comes ready to use. No mixing required. The only setup step you can't skip is shaking the bottle. The natural essential oils separate, so always shake vigorously before each use to activate the blend for maximum effectiveness. Success depends on strategic spraying. Target the rodent's pathways. Spray in corners, along baseboards, around wiring, near vents, and any area where you've seen signs of droppings or activity. Rodents stick to edges, so your spray should too. For challenging areas like engine compartments, spray around the wiring and air filter housings. For indoor spaces like attics, be sure to spray multiple spots to create an overlapping scent barrier. Rodent Relief works immediately, but protection fades. If you notice the scent fading after a few days, that's normal, but it signals that the protective cycle is ending. This is why consistent reapplication is crucial. Start by reapplying every 3 to 5 days initially. Once you see a significant decrease in rodent activity, you can switch to weekly maintenance. Don't judge the product by what you can smell. The strong initial scent settles to an optimal working level that humans can barely detect. Rodents, however, find it completely overwhelming due to their super-sensitive noses. If you have any questions or are still seeing activity, visit our website for more tips. It's that simple. Get started today and reclaim your home from rodents.